Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable camera control on your AirPods Pro 3. You have to start by open settings, and your headphones should be connected with your phone. Then you will find headphones line at the top in the settings. Tap at that line. Then you need to scroll down just a bit. Under call controls we have camera control, and right here we have camera remote mode. Tap at that line and now select you want to use single press or press and hold. I'm going to use single press, so I tap at that line, and now on the sides we have touch areas right here and right here, so you need to single press, and for example you can take a photo or start recording video or stop recording video. So camera, now I put it to my ears and I'm going to press one time at my camera, and as you can see I just did the photo and the video. So again single press, I'm start recording this video, single press again, and I stop recording it. And that's it. If you want to disable this mode, you need to tap at the camera remote and just set it to off. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.